Ano to? Okay. Hello guys! Ito interviewin karon mga hunks sa HCCB. First hunks is ano siya? Si Gerald Dumaran. Say hi! Yo!
Uy, ako pag
Yo,
ayaw ko
you see
kaya.
this?
Ha?
Ayaw ko kayo sa naong ha.
This Spanish bambinas, ha?
Kalagay na ba?
Ha? Ha? Ha?
Ah,
Oh. I love you so much.
Uy, dumara. Wala na.
Ayun.
sunod! Si Ezekiel
Ayaw
Jude
na ipakita ko
Bahaw.
naong.
Okay na!
Ay. Gusto mo magsayaw? Mayaw ta.
You have a
Ayaw na ron! Kasi
beautiful girl. That's why you'll never hurt and have a suicidal.
Si Bahaw, di makita!
Oh, bad.
Rehearse mo ba? Rehearse sa Pasan Show. Bam bam biram bam bam. Yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm from New York City. Proud to be Filipino. Hi guys. This is AJ Bahaw.
Uy!
Forget about it. I'm here to dance. Show me what you got.
Guys, they're freak!
Hey! What the fuck, man? No!
You wanna see my abs, man? I have only one abs. Right here.
I didn't see.
Okay. Ay, tara.
Ay!
1, 2, 3, here we go.
Holy Child Colleges of Butuan. Morning. Kanta mo. And then now.
Share the joys of serving man. Forget country, I'm a matter of love. Reach out.
Lift up your hand.
Reach out. Wala na. Balik balik na.
Kane mo rin.
Sa amin na ta.